POV motorbike videos are completely blowing up on social media right now. And if you look at this Max Blazem page, they are pulling 9.6 million views and 13.1 million views. Their bio links out to brands looking for collaboration, meaning they are pulling in thousands of dollars directly off the back of this massive exposure. Most creators trying to grow an audience are stuck filming standard talking head videos, but this channel is using automated immersive clips to get views like crazy. To show you the proof, here is what I made in 10 minutes. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, you need to open your Google Docs outline to grab the text templates. Highlight the complete block for prompt 1, including the analysis profile, and copy the text. Head over to ChatGPT and click the main text field to paste the entire outline in. Hit send and watch the AI instantly generate 10 highly clickable POV concept titles. Look down the list and highlight the second option about the downhill bike hitting a hidden sinkhole. Copy that text and jump back into your Google Docs tab to grab the second prompt template. Select the whole image and motion prompt framework and copy it. Go back into ChatGPT and paste the text into the empty message box. From there, head back up to the text you copied earlier for the downhill bike concept. Copy it again, paste it into the placeholder bracket at the bottom of the prompt, and hit enter. The AI will output a fully detailed video script broken down into numbered scenes. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. Now, scroll down the screen and select the entire detailed block for scene 2. Copy that visual and motion description text. If you want to make this content but live outside the Creator Reward Program regions, checking out the accounts in our description. Next, go to Ghostscript using the link in the description. Once the dashboard opens, click the Kling 3.0 video generator option from the left-hand menu bar. Click inside the description prompt box at the bottom of the page and paste the scene text you copied from ChatGPT. Before we move on to the final editing step, joining our community is the best way to get access to winning niches before they get saturated. Get one-on-one coaching for every single channel question you have, and step-by-step short-form courses. The community is at the cheapest price it will ever be right now, so make sure to check it out. Once your prompt is ready inside the Kling interface, click the arrow button on the right to start generating your immersive video clip. The system will process the data and display a unique video link right on screen. You can use these steps to generate multiple scenes, and then download CapCut using the link in the description to piece your final video timeline together. Make sure to join the community program linked below to get direct coaching and accelerate your channel growth today.